engine update. Running smooth as a whistle. I don't know if the whistle's smooth, but that's what we're using today. Sounds good. Connected. Everything looking good, sounding good. Gotta put the caps on now that the engine's running smoothly, exhausted. I'm gonna clean this up for them. Just make sure it doesn't have a big major transmission leak. Could have been the engine. Good, everything's sounding good. She's ready to get some drive. I just gotta put the wheel wells back on, tires, torque. We're good to go.